Hello and welcome to Peepul Health, an online platform that provides you live seminars, live workouts, guidance and advice on overall health and well-being at the People Center. My name is Kushbu and I'm the registered dietitian. And today we're going to talk about gut health. Gut health is a trending topic in today's times. It's gaining prominence as more research has been done to link what constitutes healthy gut and how the well-being of your gut affects your overall health. Gut health refers to the balance of microorganisms that live in your gut. Any imbalance in gut bacteria can cause serious health issues or even digestive disorders. These are also called as the gastrointestinal disorders or the GI tract disorders. They are commonly associated as vomiting, constipation, diarrhea, feeling of uncomfortableness in the chest or heaviness in the chest, and they sometimes lead to chronic to acute health diseases as well, such as malabsorptions and even cancers. Now, how to determine whether you have a healthy or unhealthy gut? For this, first and foremost, you have to watch out for symptoms that are simple stomach disturbances. It can be constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, vomiting, or even very simple symptoms like gas, flatulence, bloating, reflux, malabsorptions, and so on. All these conditions are a result of modern life facets such as high levels of stress, lack of sleep, inactivity, lack of exercise or mobility, and faulty eating habits or having high levels of processed foods or foods rich in sugars. The presence of these digestive disorders can affect other aspects of your health such as heart, brain, skin, weight, immune system, hormone levels, malabsorptions, and even lead to cancers at times. On the other hand, a healthy gut would have less difficulty in digesting food and hence no health issues. On the other hand, a healthy gut will have less difficulty in digesting food and eliminating waste, and hence no health issues. Now, what are the consequences of having an unhealthy gut? There are a host of disorders associated with unhealthy gut conditions. These are basically caused due to faulty eating habits and bad lifestyle. Some of the most frequent and commonly occurring disorders are constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, dyspepsia, esophagitis, gastritis, ulcers, malabsorption syndrome, and even cancers. Now that we know what gut health means and what are the consequences of having an unhealthy gut, let's talk about how to maintain a healthy gut and seek some tips of boosting our gut health. First, eat small frequent meals. Having 5 to 6 meals split up in the entire day could be beneficial rather than having large amounts of meals in the entire day. Having large amount of meals can make you feel uncomfortable at times. So having small frequent meals and splitting it up into 5 to 6 meals in the entire day is really beneficial. Also, it may sound a bit silly, but chewing your food properly helps in digestion process. Yes. When you chew your food properly, you actually stimulate the digestive process in the mouth itself. The saliva mixes with the food and helps in the digestion of the food. Also, if you chew your food properly, it helps you in two ways. One, it reduces the amount of air you take in whilst chewing, which causes less bloating. And then next, it also helps you eat slower. So you can have less amount of food. One more thing that we should add here is oral health. If oral health is maintained, if you keep your teeth clean, the bacteria there wouldn't grow and these bacteria wouldn't enter into your stomach, which will help in maintaining a good gut health. Next, load your meals with high amounts of whole grains, vegetables, fresh fruits, nuts and beans. These foods are very rich in fiber, and this fiber helps in the movement of the food in the gut. So the digestion is normal and active. Next, they also are healthy because they provide the nourishment to the gut bacteria. So they are good for the gut. Also, add fermented foods as a part of your meal. Fermented foods have the good bacteria that improves the digestive process. We all know adding yogurt in your daily diet improves digestion. This is because they have the good bacteria for your gut that helps in the digestion process. Look for food intolerances. Many people don't actually realize if they even have any food intolerances, because some of these foods are Look for intolerances. I mean food intolerances. Many people don't even realize if they have any food intolerances, and it gets unnoticed as they include it in a daily diet and also face some consequences. So identifying what trigger foods are and either eliminating or avoiding them or using it in modified amounts can help improve the gut health. Once you figure out what these trigger foods are, either you can avoid it or you can combine it with other food items to maintain a good gut health. Next, cut down on carbonated drinks. We all like sodas and fizzy drinks, but sadly, these drinks contain high amounts of carbon dioxide, which gets trapped in the gut and hence cause flatulence or bloating. I recommend a low dose of probiotic supplement, and having it 30 minutes before the meal is helpful. If you're having it for the first time, have patience. It could take few weeks for you to see positive results. Reduce sugar alcohols. These are found in Diet Cokes, chewing gums, and other sweets. They are usually classed as safe sugars, but have known to show stomach disturbances or digestive disturbances to some extent. Hence, avoid them. Next, lower your stress levels. High amount of stress levels can trigger stomach disturbances and can lead to unhealthy digestive system, which can cause to serious consequences. Lastly, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty water can help in the digestive process, and it will improve the inner lining of the gut stay healthy. So now that we know what gut health means, what are the consequences of having an unhealthy gut, and what are the tips of maintaining a healthy gut. Hope it proves beneficial to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.